Hi you guys. There's not much to do here today. The snow's melted off, as you can see. And I don't know if you can hear my goats over there. They're yelling at me over there in the pasture. They want me to come out and visit them. But walking on this ground out here is like walking on quicksand. We live in an ancient lake bed, this whole valley. It used to be Lake Lahontan 26,000 years ago. And so it's just like any other old lake bed. When it gets a lot of moisture, it turns into mucky quicksand kind of stuff. If I get off of my driveway with my truck, I get stuck. And the whole valley's like this, so you don't dare get off the road. So that kind of takes care of any exploration ideas, because going out through this mucky desert, you can guarantee you're going to get stuck. So what I'm going to do today, because I'm getting cabin fever, is I'm going to go to the next town over, and I'm going to take my daughter and my grandson, and we're just going to rummage through some thrift stores. And sometimes it's amazing what people will get rid of because they don't know the value of it, or they don't know they have an antique. And so I like to go look to see what's there. So I will post this if we find anything interesting, and I hope you're having a great day. We're just out here in the rain, and at least the snow's gone, but now we've got mucky, quicksandy dirt, so that kind of limits travel. So we'll talk to you later, and I'll let you know if I find anything interesting. Okay, this is the store I'm at today. It's called the Poke and Peek. And they have quite a variety of things.
Okay, you want to carry this bag?
There's jewelry.
Oh, I have black one, maybe not. You want to carry your bag?
Getting a lot of glare.
Okay, good job.
And we'll say hello to the lady who's in charge here.
Hello. Come to the Poke and Peek.
And what was your name?
My name's Susan.
Susan. This is Susan. Very nice lady that's letting me film in here. Some places don't like you to, though. I always have to ask.
Yeah, no, we don't have a problem.
Well, thank you. Yeah, quite a variety of stuff. Nice clean store too. Oops, it's okay. That's okay. Just about everything that you'd want. Pictures, lampshades. It's a very nice store, very clean. Just kind of give you a quick tour here. Today is $5 bag day. There's a nice building. Can't see it though. Oh, there it is. It's $5 bag day. You take a bag and you can fill it to overflowing, they said, with anything that you want at the store, and it's $5. So, needless to say, picked up a lot of things I probably don't need. Lots of clothes, shoes, mirror, all kinds of books you can't even imagine. Paperbacks. Paperback books, hardback books. Very awesome.
Mommy, I say something to you.
Shelves and shelves of books.
I say something to you.
What?
Children's books,
No, I get to put
magazines.
pencil book on the payroll though.
Do what?
I get to put my
Aha. These I have a passion for. These are the old Time Life books. And I've got some of these.
Did you see the Daniel?
I might have to come back for those. Games of all kinds. Books and books and books and books. All kinds of glassware. These are interesting dolls. Those dolls almost look like they could be collectibles.
Yeah.
Those are nice. There's some more dolls. Cards, hats, gloves. Even wedding dresses. And lots of clothes. This is a pretty nice thrift store. First time I've been in here. Kinds of odds and ends.
Do gloves and hats go in the bag?
What's that?
Do gloves and hats go in the bag?
Yes.
And
And some pretty pictures. Pillows. It's actually a very nice little thrift store. And the proceeds, I believe, go to the local hospital. And there's some of their programs. Okay, I think this is about it for this one. Nice glassware. I have to say, I wasn't expecting it to be this clean and organized. Very nice. Okay, and let's go on to the next one. This one was worth stopping at. Very nice. And here's Ethan. We're at the first thrift store. And he's picking out things to look at. Yeah, got a little bit of a selection here. They don't have a ton of toys.
Right there in that burgundy sweater is grandma. Oh, okay.
Okay, you want me to hold this? Is this what you want, Ethan? He just can't decide what he wants. There's just too much to look at.
This was $2. That one was
A lot of stuffed animals here, but not too many toys.
You don't need a whole bag.
And there's Ethan's mama. Say hi, mama.
Hi, Mama. You too.
Okay, well, the second store we went to, Sonoma Industries is what it was called, and they have a lot of handicapped people working there, so they have a strict policy about not filming. So they asked me not to film at that store. So, of course, I didn't. I turned off my camera, so we didn't get to film there. The The third store we were going to, we ended up not going to because it's getting late in the day, and my little grandson was being a 2-year-old. So we decided to have lunch and call it a day. So at least we got to go to 2 thrift stores, and I did pick up a couple things that I really didn't need, but you know. So that's about it for today. Nothing else exciting happened. I hope you have a great day and that you're having a really good fun day. So I'll see you later. Bye.